Hi, I'm Amelia and I'm going to talk to you about how to highlight your hair at home. You've got a few options. When you go to the store, those highlighting kits are a really great tool. I like the ones that have the little mascara wand because that's how you can actually go in and just paint highlights in like that. Another tool that comes in the kit is the cap. And when using the cap, you always want to make sure that you brush the hair out, get all the tangles out, and put the cap on and make sure it's nice and snug. If it comes loose, what's going to happen is the lightener could get in and actually swell and cause bleed spots. And I'm sure we've seen them, those people with the dots on their hair. That's a bleed spot from a cap. So then you would use your tool and actually just pick the hair out and then apply the product. So that's another tool that you can use in highlighting at home. And then you can use foil, but foil's a little bit tough to do on yourself. You would just section out the hair that you want to foil. And I have done this to myself, and it's quite awkward. Just be sure you're in front of the mirror. Put it down like that. Make sure you fold the flap. Apply your product with a brush, and then you just fold the foil up. Or if you're doing it on yourself, you're going to want to just squish it. Be careful not to manipulate the foil too much because it can cause the product to push out of the top and cause bleed spots. And we've all seen those because those are just lines in the hair from where the foil bleeds. Another technique is mixing the lightener up in a bowl, and then you just dip the tip of your comb in there, pull up a section of hair, and you just comb it on. And you want to make sure that you double and triple dip here so you completely saturate that strand. Otherwise, you're going to get a spotty application. So you just apply it that way. Let it process, shampoo it out. And those are some tips and tricks you can do for highlighting your hair at home.